So today's History Minute comes from a scrapbook that we have down at the Historical Museum with photos of local residents in Nicaragua surveying their banana plantations. The Cannon Valley Planters Company was incorporated on November 15th, 1915, and it had as its headquarters Cannon Falls. They decided to invest in property in Nicaragua, which had become available when the Marines occupied Nicaragua in 1912. The Planters Association had 4 different propositions: banana, chocolate, pineapple, or sugar. For the banana proposition, a local farmer from Goodhue County could purchase a 10-acre plantation at $50 per acre. The proposed reward would be annually $1,080. This is a very interesting story from Cannon Falls history, but it's one that doesn't have a clear ending to it. It's unlikely that this Planters Association was successful through the 1920s. In 1926, the U.S. Marines pulled out of Nicaragua, and there was a constitutionalist revolution in the country. If anybody has more information on the Cannon Valley Planters Association, please call the Cannon Falls Historical Society. Thanks for watching your History Minute. I hope you enjoyed learning about the Cannon Valley Planters Association.